When it comes to SEO tools, Jasper and Scalenut both promise to supercharge your content strategy, but the question remains, which one has more advanced SEO tools? In this video, we'll dive into their features and help you figure out which one is the best fit for your SEO needs. Make sure you stick around until the end, because I'll be giving my final verdict and a better alternative for those serious about their SEO game. Let's start with Jasper. Known for its versatility in content creation, Jasper is widely used for writing, but when it comes to SEO, its tools are pretty impressive. One of the standout features is the ability to integrate with Surfer SEO, which allows you to optimize your content based on real-time analysis of top-ranking pages. It's a powerful combo, giving you keyword analysis, content score, and recommendations on how to improve your on-page SEO. However, it's not the easiest to get a hang of, and for newcomers, it might feel a bit overwhelming. Next, let's talk about Scalenut. Scalenut offers a more integrated approach to SEO and content creation. Its AI-powered editor provides SEO content guidelines based on competitive analysis, and it's optimized for keyword targeting. One of the things I like about Scalenut is how it simplifies the SEO process with an easy-to-use interface. You get topic research, keyword research, and content generation all within the same dashboard. It's a solid choice for those who want a more hands-on approach to content and SEO, but it lacks the level of integration that Jasper provides with Surfer SEO. The third thing to mention is the content customization. Jasper has templates for everything from blog posts to product descriptions, which makes it easy to generate content that's SEO-friendly. But if you're looking for more granular control over things like readability and keyword placement, it might not be the best fit for you. Scalenut, on the other hand, allows for more customization, especially with their long-form editor, giving you the chance to optimize your content as you go. The fourth thing is scalability. Jasper's pricing is on the higher side, and while the integration with Surfer SEO is fantastic, it does require an extra subscription. For smaller businesses or solo content creators, the combined costs might feel a bit much. Scalenut offers more affordable plans with a focus on providing all-in-one tools, which might be a better choice if you're looking to scale without breaking the bank. Finally, let's talk support and community. Jasper has a massive community, tons of tutorials, and plenty of resources. If you run into an issue, you're more likely to find a solution quickly. Scalenut is still growing in that area, but their support team is responsive, and they offer personalized assistance, which is a plus for a smaller tool. At the end of the day, both Jasper and Scalenut have their strengths, but after testing both, I believe Scalenut offers more advanced SEO tools for the average user. The ease of use, integrated research, and affordability make it a solid choice for anyone looking to improve their SEO without the steep learning curve. That said, if you're looking for a tool that truly brings everything together, including content creation and SEO optimization, I'd recommend checking out the free trial in the first link in the description. This alternative offers exclusive benefits for my viewers, and trust me, after trying all of these tools myself, you'll see how it outshines the competition. Go ahead and take advantage of that free trial. You won't regret it.